Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do a DIY scalp detox. What is a scalp detox? Well, scalp detox is pretty much exfoliating your scalp. So you're cleansing your scalp, you're unclogging the pores, you're removing all those toxins that are probably preventing your hair from growing and preventing your hair from being healthy. Take some of the mixture and apply it directly to your scalp and just massage it in. But do not, I stress this, do not scrub your scalp. It is not a dirty pot. Just a warning, turmeric is a staining agent, so please use gloves. Now I'm just gonna style my hair, and of course I'm using my Cantu leave-in conditioner. For the center of my hair, I'm just doing flat twists just so my ponytail isn't so boring. To do this, I just parted a giant chunk of hair in the center of my head, parted it, twisted it, and did that until I got to the center, and voila. To make sure my hair stays in place and has that sleek shine, I'm using Cream of Nature's Argan Oil Mousse and Jam Gel. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more cool content.